Hey guys, JdizzEats, and today we got an exciting video for you guys. And today we are gonna teach you on how to make some beef filling tacos, just the filling, and then we will set up the tacos later on in this video. So stick with me. So we're gonna teach you the steps on how to make the beef taco filling. So let's get into it. First step is to put your heat to medium heat, and this time I will put on 4 and add in some oil just to start with. That should be good. Alright, it's hot enough. We're gonna put the garlic first, guys. Oh yeah, sizzling, baby. Sizzling. We're gonna wait that for about 30 seconds and we'll put some onions in. Next, we're gonna put some oil. Onion, I mean. Wait, this caramelize. Next, we're just gonna put the whole ground beef here, ground beef patty, all the way in here. Just like that, baby. Alright, this is looking good so far right here. Oh, I can smell that Mexican spice in here. So once there's no pink on this ground beef, we're gonna pour in some taco seasoning. Not gonna put all of it, I'm just gonna put half of it. And that's good. And then we just mix them around, just to get that taco flavor in every beef in here, every component. Once finished, we're gonna put in the plate, turn it off, we're gonna put on the plate. I'm gonna leave some grease on it. So this is optional, you can leave the grease, but for me, I will leave it. We're gonna put this in the plate. Alright, we're gonna put some tacos shells. This is the hard one. This is for our taco filling. It's gonna be. We're gonna construct these taco. First of all, we're gonna put our ground beef. We're not gonna put too much, just enough to fit this bad boy in. Just like that, guys. And then we're gonna put our own sauce we made. So what we put here is some banana ketchup and some mayo. We're gonna put a bit of it. It's nice sweet. We need a sweetness in there. Oh yeah, I think I didn't put too much. I'll put one more. That should be good. And then we'll put some beef bad boy, lettuce. We're gonna put it in here. Put it in here. Alright, got more here. And then we'll put some shredded cheese that I grated earlier. And that's what you call your taco. That's how I construct my tacos. Done making this, we're now gonna taste test this taco. This is my homemade version, JdizzEats version of it. We're gonna give this a crunch and a taste. And yeah, let's get into it. Crunchy. I got that crunchy hard taco shell. And the beef here juicy. I like leaving my grease in there, so you get that flavor in there. That's what you call a beef taco. You get that nice flavor in there, and that nice sweet homemade sauce we made. And one more bite, guys. Cheers. Isn't that the taste, boys? That's nice. Pretty nice. And I know I forgot to put salt and pepper on this taco filling, but the taco seasoning, I think it has salt and pepper in it, so that should be good enough to make this seasoning taco great. Should recommend making this at home with your family. So I'm not just eating this, but this is for my family. Oh yeah, guys. So guys, that'll be it for this video on how to make some beef taco filling JdizzEats style. Should recommend trying this at home. It's so good, so satisfying. And I know some people may not like grease on your beef filling, but if you don't, just drain it out. But for me, I leave it. I just need that flavor on it. But it might be annoying, that it might be messy, but still worth it, worth trying and tasting that and having flavor in there. Look at this. So guys, if you do enjoy this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share this to anyone. And guys, it's JdizzEats, and guys, see you guys next video.